So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kai. Yeah. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know I look a little crazy. It's wash day. I'm currently deep conditioning, but clearly this wig cap cannot fit on my head. But I'm about to go to the Dominican shop to go get it rinsed and like blow dried and curl. So yeah. And we're starting the vlog today and not in a car. I'm proud of myself. Clap it up for me, period. So yeah, today is Monday, July 11th. We got this one. All right, I think you just want to do the intro with me. Okay. All right. There we go. All right, so you guys turn around and talk. Yeah. 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 Say guys, welcome back to the channel. You're a natural. Good job. So anyway, I am about to go get it washed and blow dried, and I'll come back to y'all later. So guys, this is the hair. I got it curled this time. Last time I got it straightened, so I got it curled this time. A lot of y'all tell me, oh, there you should wear your natural hair out more, blah 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 blah. Listen, that be the intention, but then it just poofs up. So let's see how long I can go wear my hair out before I put it on some wig. I know I have one more wig that I need to do a video for in my position. And I'm pretty sure I have more on the way, but I'm trying to like, I think I'm gonna do one more before I go to Jamaica. One more hair video before I go to Jamaica. Everything else will just have to stay until I come back. She did my hair I got there like 4:30 on the dot. And she got done probably like 5:10. And that's rinsing out my hair. I already had washed my hair because I feel like they don't wash it good, so I washed it myself and I put a deep condition treatment in it. So what you saw earlier, I just had conditioner with oil and stuff in it, and then she washed it out and blow dried it and just curled it. So she did all that in 40 minutes. I love it. In and out. I wanted to go get my eyebrows done, but not today. I took my nails off, by the way. Giving my nails a break before Jamaica. I'm just gonna try to, like, you know, yeah, give them a break before it's time to put something back on. Dang, he took that turn real wide. Almost hit the car. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to go meet up with mommy. She wants to go on the road, but I've not eaten. It is 5:14 right now, and I'm not eating all day. The only thing I had today was some ginger tea. But I did make some chicken breast. I'm gonna go home and make a chicken breast wrap, like a Caesar wrap thing. I bought the wrap and everything. I don't got no Caesar dressing. It's gonna be whatever dressing I got in the house. And I don't have any lettuce, but I do have cabbage, so I'm gonna use some cabbage. So yeah, let's go home and make something to eat because the girl is starving. So guys, here's my wrap. I bought a scale today at Walmart. I didn't even bring out to Walmart with me, but I didn't start off the vlog yet, but because I need to be more precise on what I am eating. So I got this wrap, some chicken breast underneath, some cheese, some buffalo sauce, some 1,000 Island dressing, and some cabbage because I ain't get no lettuce. So I'm about to eat this. I got my water right, y'all, and that is breakfast and lunch because your girl ain't eating nothing this morning. I told y'all, look at my hair already. Fall. But I'm in Target, y'all. I forgot that Target now sells Ulta. So I'm walking, so I'm seeing the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume, and I was like, oh, I want to try this. I was like, I'm surprised Target is selling this. And I look up, and Ulta Beauty. So this is clutch because there was an Ulta close by me, and they closed down. So this is amazing that now Target has Ulta. Kohl's has Sephora, so I don't have to like drive to the mall to go to Ulta or Sephora anymore unless I need like something. Like these little ones don't have everything, so sometimes you do gotta make that drive, but still I love this for me. So I already picked up I picked up Ariana Grande Cloud. My sister was telling me about it, so I do want to go ahead and try it. So I picked this up. And as I'm browsing, I remember that I don't have any more of my Morphe setting spray. This setting spray is the best setting spray I've ever tried. This is the bomb. So I'm gonna get this, but I don't think I'm gonna get this small size. Or should I get the small size since I'm traveling soon? So that I don't have to. No, I think I'm gonna just go get a big size and done. Cause I'm gonna be out of it. That's how good it is. And when I use it, y'all be seeing my videos. I haven't done a makeup video in a while, but when I use it, I use it all over. So this is $10, this small size. I see the big ones. The big one is $16. They have a jumbo one. They have a jumbo one for $22. I don't think I'm gonna get the jumbo right now, but it don't seem like they got the regular ones. No. I'm gonna go ask because this is oh, it's right here. Let me show y'all. So this, if y'all in the market of a new setting spray, get this Morphe setting spray. $16. It's worth every penny. Yeah, I'm gonna keep browsing on because this is bomb. Y'all, they even have MAC, and let me show y'all. Back in the day, I used to kill a MAC lip. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all which one I used to wear a lot. Ruby Woo. I can't believe they still make. I mean, I'm not surprised because it is a good matte red lip. Let me show y'all. Like when I say, I'm pretty sure somewhere in my makeup dump bag, I still have this. This is bomb. Like MAC. This is definitely a MAC staple. I mean, I don't wear red lip right now to buy this, but listen, this is it. I used to kill this back in the day. And Rebel, was it called Rebel? I think they have Candy Yum Yum, definitely. They have some of the old ones, and I forgot what they had. Another purplish one. I think that one was Rebel. I don't remember, but yeah, we used to kill those. But yeah, I'm gonna keep looking because I'm excited. Oh, they have MAC setting spray now. I love using a MAC setting spray to like blend my concealer. Like, let me find out. And they have the foundation. I gotta tell my mom because she used MAC foundation still. I used to be a stand for MAC foundation until I switched up, but I gotta tell her they got the Fix Plus. How much I would want the little one though. How much is it? See, $34. I had a small one, not right now. Y'all, I am so excited. I don't feel like, I don't know if I'm showing it, but like, I'm gonna put y'all on. Even though I'm not a makeup guru or whatever, but this for your eyes. Isn't this for your eyes? No, I'm telling y'all wrong stuff. But Urban Decay have a good eye primer. There we go. Here we go. They have a good eye primer if you wear like eyeshadow, but I don't really wear eyeshadow, so I don't really need it. But back in the day when I was doing something, I used to get it. Good morning, y'all. So I did ask in my, let me turn this music down because you know how YouTube like to tussle. So I did ask in my last vlog if y'all wanted like you know, themed vlogs. So for example, if I'm going shopping, that entire vlog is about shopping, or like y'all want weekly vlogs. So far in the comments, everybody's saying weekly vlogs. So again, I feel like I put that question like later on, and some of y'all don't like to watch all of the video. So watch out the video them so I can't get to the input. So watch the video so I can get y'all inputs. So let me know, weekly vlogs or themed vlogs. So themed vlogs will definitely be shorter, and I know y'all don't really like themed vlogs. So for now, I'm gonna keep doing weekly vlogs until I get like a majority like opinion and stuff like that. But anyway, I am heading home from the gym. Y'all, my hair, it's a no-go. I can already tell. So I try to put this headband to pull the hair from my forehead, and I don't know what it is about today. Like, I don't usually, like, I sweat when I go to the gym, but not like today. It's like my hair knows that I don't want it to get wet. When I say I was dripping, like sweat was falling on the Stairmaster, like, and I was like, this is not me. And of course the day when I don't want my hair to, like, you know, but I was like, I'm not gonna let no hair stop my workout. So I continued doing it. Like, I didn't stop or anything. I was doing my strength training part just now, and I felt something dripping on my neck, and I'm like, what the, like, I'm all looking up in the roof, in the ceiling to see if something is dripping, but it was my headband. Like, I have a piece like this, y'all, is wet. Like, I'm feeling it right now. I already know that my head back revert, like, and probably the front too. So this is why I don't be trying to wear my hair out, because I know it's gonna be poofy and stuff today. I didn't pin curl them because, do I know how to pin curl? No. I did throw some pins in there. Just, I did like this and pinned it, this and pinned it. Like, I'm not about to go in individually and pin curl my hair. So yeah, no. My camera just fell. And this camera cannot have another fall. Like, you should see the viewfinder. It's like crooked. I always hear people complain about the G7X and the screws in them, how loose they are. And now it's happening to me. I think I've had this camera now probably 19, 20, 21. This year would make 3 years, I think. And it happened, the screw, I lost one of the screws last, like, November or October, and I had the screw, so I just screwed it back in. But now I lost the screw, so I have no idea when the screw fell out of the camera. I just picked it up one day and it was like crooked. So I went on Amazon, but I can't find like a G7X screw, so I don't know. I've been feeling to get a new camera, but I can't decide. Like, do I want a vlogging camera, or do I want like a DSLR to, like, record my sit down videos and stuff? And they're coming, my sit down videos and stuff are coming back, y'all. It's just, you know, I'm not really feeling this body right now, so it's hard for me to, like, put on clothes and do fashion related content, because I'm just not feeling. Everybody's like, oh girl, give yourself grace, you just had a baby and da da da. Yeah, that's cool, but I'm not comfortable. So people are gonna say whatever, but if I'm not comfortable, you know, I'm gonna do what I have to do. So basically, I need to figure out if I'm gonna get a new camera or I am going to fix this. And it's really looking like fixing it right now before Jamaica, but I also don't want to bring it to Jamaica and it completely, you know, God forbid, knock on wood. But I don't know. I'm gonna try to get a screw. I said I was gonna take it to like a shop to see if they have like the tiny screws. And I was doing some research on like finding screws for it. But anyway, all that talk, y'all don't really care about that. So today's Tuesday, if I didn't say that. I don't really have much planned for today. So guys, I am home. I'm in the car, obviously. But before I go in, I'm gonna take some time. I'm gonna take like 10-15 minutes to myself and just think, watch TikTok, and just breathe, you know? I feel like this is my moment for myself, because once I go in, if Kai is up, it's all about Kai, and I gotta clean up and all that. So not clean up, but like straighten up. Like, I've become like this. I don't know, if things not straightened or whatever, or in place, it stresses me out. I don't know why I picked that up on myself, but yeah. So I say all that to say, I'm about to just take some time and just, before I go inside, and just relax. So I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Hey guys, so oh, I look crazy. Hold on. So guys, my hair, I told y'all it would not let up. Let me show y'all the edges. Sweated out at the gym. It's been 2 days, so I sweated out my edges at the gym. I told y'all my hair, it looked a mess, so I had to put it in like a little ponytail. And I put 2 Bantu knots right here to have the front curly, because it was not giving. Like, I had to do something. But anyway, Kai is back there. We're driving Mummy vehicle today. We're going on the road again. Like I told y'all, our Jamaica trip is coming up. I can't find anything. I don't know. This is probably the first time I'm going to Jamaica where the feeling, the excitement isn't there. yet, or I don't know what it is, but I don't know. I can't find anything, so I constantly have to go on the road. I don't see anything online for me, for Kai. Like, it's just a mess. So my mom and I, we're going on the road. She didn't go to work today, so we're going on the road again with Kai to go see what we can get. They look crazy. Let me take these out. Hopefully they give what I wanted them to give. Let's see. Okay. And I know they're gonna drop eventually. I probably did the Bantu knots too tight. I'll probably do a Bantu knot set tonight if I feel like it. And one is always tighter than the next one. Kai? What is this? Anyway, mommy is coming now, so we're about to leave. I'll worry about my hair later. It's not that deep, but it's a mess. Say what's up, mommy. Hey. Yeah, so we're going on the road. Catch her a little bit later. I know, and just off us, I was like, Gma soon come.
You want something?
Look at my head, mommy. Let me do if you one longer one. I think I did one too tight.
Just pull it down.
I am, but it's not. Right, I think eventually it will just fall. See? Now my battery about to die. Oh guys, I know why I came on here. So I'm officially down 5 pounds as of yesterday. This morning it looked like 7, but you know, that's probably just fluctuating. But I just ate before I left the house, and I brought my snacks. These are some protein puffs things. So I got my snacks because I'll be going on the road like, that looks so good, I want that, or I want that. But I'm gonna get my snacks. When I come back, I eat my dinner, and then I'll be done. So yeah, we're serious, and we're serious. Gotta get this baby weight easy. Easy, hard to lose. Baby weight is so hard to come off. I feel like before, like when we used to work out, like I would have already seen changes. Now it's like my stomach now, it's like my stomach became like a muscle, or like a, I don't know how to explain, but the feeling of my belly changed. It just feels stiff. Ugh. Anyway, hey guys, what's up? So it's later on. We back from on the road. We did a little shopping. I didn't get anything for myself. I basically was just shopping for like family members and stuff like that. But yeah, we're in a celebratory mood today, well right now, because I don't know if I've ever mentioned it on my channel, but my mom went to nursing school. She graduated actually last year. My mom went to nursing school. She finished a while ago, and she took her NCLEX and she passed her exam. She been passed though. She never actually did anything like celebration. We went to graduation, that was about it, but nothing crazy. So she did a big one on them. She treated herself today, and we're also just gonna drink some, play some dominoes. So I'm supposed to be fasting right now. Like I ate my last meal at 8:30, but I'm about to make some drinks. If y'all don't know, I'm bartender on a low. So I got some Casamigo. Somebody's been drinking my Casamigo, and I don't like that for me. But I've been drinking my Casamigo, and I'm just gonna mix it with some Daiquiri mix, I think it is. I can't make it too strong because mommy wants some, so I'll probably make mommy one and then make mine separately. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style?
Yeah, mommy don't want a lot. She not a drinker, so. Aloo beg not get, aloo beg don't want. Aloo beg not get, aloo beg no want. I look crazy, my bad. I told y'all my hair would not last, and this is the result. But anyway, we move. So I did not get to go to the gym this morning. I woke up late, to be honest. But I still thought I was gonna be able to go. I got dressed and everything, but I didn't end up going. So, well, I couldn't go just because of the timing and stuff. Plus, I woke up this morning, y'all, I was so nauseous. I don't know what it is. I noticed like whenever I go to bed like later than usual, my body like shuts down the next day. Like I need my rest. And like, plus I was drinking last night as well. I didn't OD on drinking, so I don't think it's the drinking, but maybe, I don't know. But right now I am here. My Jamaica trip is up on me now. I'm feeling the stress. So I'm going through, I think I was telling y'all, this is like the first time I can't find any outfits. I can't find anything. Like, I be looking at pictures like, what did I wear in Jamaica the last time I was there? Because I can't come up with anything that I want. I can't come up with any fits that I want or anything like that. And a part of me is like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna go to Jamaica and go out, knowing damn well the first night I land, I'm going out. So I need to figure out my life. I had a suitcase of like clothes downstairs, like random summer clothes, so I'm about to go through it right now, try to see what I can get, if I can get anything from, so basically I'm going shopping in my own clothes to see if I can find any piece or anything to go to Jamaica. I don't know what it is. I've been on all the websites that I shop at. I've even resorted to shopping in stores, and y'all know I don't do shopping in stores for myself. And I can't find anything. Like, I legit can't find anything. So I don't know, and my trip is up on me. I'm feeling the stress, I'm feeling the pressure right now. So we gotta figure something out, because we outside when I go to Jamaica. It's on. I got a plethora of babysitters in Jamaica, so we outside. This is the suitcase. I don't know why I thought I had way more clothes than this, but I remembered that I had donated some. So I'm going through. I already started making a pile right here of stuff that I'm gonna donate. I look a hot mess, so let's try to, yeah, damn sure ain't no better, but at least it's not on me or in my way. But anyway, if you're anything like me, I will have a piece of clothing and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep that. Or if it's too small, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna lose weight and fit in that. It's been going on for years, and some of the clothes I'm like, girl, just give it up, just give it up. We're trying to stay pop, but just give it up, because 2 years down the line it's gonna be a different fashion. I'm gonna have a different taste and everything like that, because my tastes change on season. I don't have one set look. I would like something now, and then by winter I don't like it again, or like by next summer, if it's a summer style, I won't like it again. But I am just going through these. Some of these things have tags on them, y'all. Like this, I don't think the tag is on there, but I never, yeah, the tag is on this. I bought this probably like 2-3 years ago. See, I bought this from Fashion Nova probably like 2-3 years ago. Never worried. So it's going to donate pile. I should have sent it down in the barrels, because we sent some barrels down to Jamaica, but we ain't had no space. So I'm gonna go in and try to find some pieces if I can, or even some judging clothes, you know what I'm saying, and see what I can come up with. And when I come back, I should have 2 or maybe 3 piles. One that I'm gonna donate, another one that I'm gonna keep, and a third one probably stuff that I'm gonna bring to Jamaica. So we'll see. I love these little tops in Fashion Nova, and I just found one. I have one on my closet now, so I don't have to buy any for this trip. I always buy these for this trip. If you're curious, it's the Robin crop top. If you watch any of my Fashion Nova hauls, I'm always talking about these tops. I always get them. Every time I order from Fashion Nova, I get one of them. I'll go between extra large and 1X depending on how I want it to fit. It is a crop top, so yes. I got a new one here, and this is a extra large. This is an extra large. I got the 1X in my closet, so perfect. Y'all, prime example of what I'm just talking about. I've had these Levi's jeans since college. Okay? Since freshman year of college, which was 2013. I'm gonna insert a picture if I can find one of me wearing these shorts. Now, don't judge my freshman year pictures. These are Levi's, first of all, and I'm like, I'm not gonna throw these out because I'm gonna fit them. It's been almost 10 years and I still haven't been able to fit them. But you think I'm throwing them away? No, because one day, them some manifestation, and I'm manifesting that one day I will fit in these jeans, okay? I'll fit in these jeans one day. They have no stretch. Maybe if they had stretch, I had a chance, but they don't. And my always look like shot up shot. So you know anything about me? Me and the girl in the short skirt. I'm gonna wear shorts. Okay? I'm gonna have these legs out. Cellulite and everybody gonna be out. So these are all the jeans shorts that I had. I don't think I'm gonna bring none of these to Jamaica. I'll probably just wear these now that I'm up here and it's the summertime. These are also stuff that not necessarily gonna go to Jamaica, but I can wear them now in the summertime. And then after this summer, I will go ahead and toss them depending on the condition, or I'll probably just donate them or something. I don't know. And then these are the stuff that I am, don't ignore my dirty gym sneakers, I need to wash them. And these are clothes that I'm gonna keep. Some can fit now and some can't, but like, look at this top. This is so cute. I got this from Pretty Little Thing. Y'all can't see the effect of it. If I can find a picture of it, I'll insert it, but so freaking cute. I'm not tossing that. Yeah, so I got some stuff here that I'm not gonna toss, I'm gonna keep. I got these 2 shirts here that I can wear to work. This school year, I plan to like be stepping, so I don't know if I want to keep these just yet. And these are what I'm gonna donate. I still got clothes to go through. I have another like tote or whatever downstairs that I need to go through, so I'm pretty sure I'll find more. And I have a bag of clothes downstairs already, so I'm gonna just add these to it and probably go drop it off tomorrow. And then these are stuff that I am gonna bring to Jamaica. Some are new, most of them are new, like most of them are new. So yeah, I'm gonna bring those. So yeah, that's where I'm starting, and I have no time left. I do have a little bit of time left, so I need to get my life together. I need to get these fits together. I probably need like a good, I'm not going for this trip, I'm not going down for a long time, so probably need like a good 8 to 10 outfit that like I'm gonna go out. I know right now, as of right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 events. I have 4, but it's the summertime and we outside, so I have 4 places that I need to go. Do I have outfits for them? I do not, but it's okay. I got some carts that I need to check out, so I probably will finalize my carts and do that today. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. I'm just stressed though, like I don't even know what more to vlog about the process, because I can't find anything. I'm just stressed out, but I'll check y'all later though.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out though. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate.
Y'all see me? Y'all see my hair? I am still rocking my hair. It is like 3 days later from when I vlogged. I think the last thing I vlogged was when I was cooking shrimp. I didn't even get to show y'all my final plate because I was so hungry. When I was done, I was like, oh dang, I forgot to show my plate. But anyway, cooking again today. Today I am cooking stewed chicken, but I'm doing breast. It is 6:34. I'm trying to eat before 8 o'clock, so I really want to sleep right now. Kai's taking a nap and I low-key want to go take a nap too, but I have stuff to do. I have this video that I need to edit. I'm cooking because I need to eat before 8 o'clock, and I know by the time I'm done doing all of this, Kai's gonna be up and I can't go to sleep, so I don't know, but I need to get stuff done. I've been busy. Like, I have not picked up the camera in probably like 3 days, y'all. Like, I've been so busy, but you know, I can't leave y'all hanging. To y'all it's just a couple seconds, but to me it's been a long periodically time. So yeah, the The oil is probably hot right now. This is the chicken. It's not a lot. It's just 3 pieces of chicken breast that I seasoned. I forgot to put sweet pepper on there. That's why I just like threw those on top. But I got sweet pepper in here, some onions, scallions. I got carrots and potatoes. And I basically like put some jerk sauce on there. Chef's kiss. If y'all ever go to Boston Jerk in Portland, make sure y'all buy some of the jerk seasonings. I'm gonna show you. They sell them like in a bottle. Like they make them and sell them. We are never out of these. Like we use these religiously. And it's spicy, so especially if you like spicy food, like definitely buy these from Portland Jerk. We got a bottle and a half left. We're going to Jamaica soon. That should last us until we go to Jamaica. But best believe we're going to be stacked up when we come back. But anyway, let me put this meat in the pot and come back. Maybe I'm not catching it. Oh, you're not going to be able to see. I don't want the album up my phone, you know. Burn up my camera, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna let that cook. And I'm going to start editing. Oh, let's talk about my hair though. So y'all, I am really trying to just wear my hair out, give it a break. I know I have a 1 more week video to do before I go to Jamaica. So my goal is to just like rock it out until like it's almost time for me to go. And then I wear it out. But the curls that I went and that y'all saw at the beginning of the vlog flopped the next day. I basically just been doing like braid out. So this is like a 3-day-old braid out, so it's not that fresh, but I'm gonna try to do it in the morning. Y'all probably see that in the next vlog because today is the last portion of this vlog. So I'm gonna try to like go to the, I had some perm rods that I wanted to like do a nice braid out, put perm rods at the end, because if you see my ends, they look a little crazy. But all my perm rods, I don't know if because they've been in the bag for a long time, like the elastic on them melted, so it's like a mess. So I need to go to the hair store and pick up some perm rods so I can put at the bottom of my hair. I did bantu, not the ends, but I'm just gonna rock it out until then. I didn't do edges or nothing, y'all, and especially because I've been in the gym, like these my hair gets sweated out like so easily. But yeah, we're just gonna be looking like this until Jamaica, which is soon, so it's not like I'm gonna be looking crazy all the days of my life. Y'all haven't seen these bad boys in so long. I need to get them a light because the light went out. The lamp actually went out. I do have a light, but the lamp actually went out. But look at them. Say hi, Baba. Yeah. You like the camera? These are my first babies before Kai. Okay. This one up here chilling. This one down here, John B. nosy, probably looking for food. But I'm not gonna feed y'all right now. So I just want to give y'all an update of what y'all missed basically for the last 3 days. My mom was off this weekend, so we basically was on the road, and it's hard to like vlog when I'm on the road with Kai and stuff like that, because you know with a baby it's kind of hard. So we basically are just going shopping. Had to go on the road and get stuff for the barrel. I told y'all that we shipped 2 bars off. Me and Sweets had to like basically go buy everything because my mom was at work with Kai, so it was a mess. Like we were so tired. Like we went to bed early that night, all 3 of us. And then so the barrel's already gone. Me and my mom been on the road up and down trying to find stuff for Kai, trying to buy stuff for like family members, trying to buy stuff for ourselves and stuff like that. So it's been a lot going on. My camera always does this zoom in thing, so my bad if I'm like mad close. So yeah, it's just a lot. You know I'm an online shopper, so most of my stuff is currently on its way to me. Hopefully everything fit. My body is not bodying the way that I want it to body right now, especially because I'm going to Jamaica. But you know, this summer about to get whatever body I got, period. We working on it though. We working on it. So yeah, that's basically what y'all missed, just us shopping and stuff. I'll try to do my best to show y'all what I got. Or I don't think I'm gonna show like my outfits and stuff because I want to like save that for Instagram, even though I don't know if I'll be taking like content pictures in Jamaica. I should, right? But I don't want to feel that stress. I feel like when it comes to my Instagram content, like, I don't stress about it, but it takes a lot more time in. And this trip, I just want to go have Kai meet his family and just like relax because I'm going back to work and prepare myself mentally to go back to work soon. So yeah, so it's been chatty, but I just want to give y'all a whole update on where I've been and where my headspace and everything's been. So y'all, this is dinner. I got a cup of rice, a cup of cabbage with sweet pepper and carrots, and some stewed chicken, and Crystal Punch as my beverage. So yeah, this is what I'm eating for the rest of the night. It is 7:30 right now, and I am still editing. I don't think this video is gonna make it up tonight. I don't know. I'm 7 minutes into an hour footage. It was an hour and some change, but I cut it down so far, so we'll see. I don't know. I don't think Kai's gonna stay asleep by the time I'm gonna be done and everything. But if you made it to the end of today's vlog, I just want to say thank you so much for rocking with me and watching today's video. I will see y'all in my next one. And if y'all are excited for Jamaica content coming soon, say ow. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Because clearly you love it here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in my next vlog. Bye y'all.